Hey, welcome to Live from the Camper. Well, I see you made it through breakfast. That's a good sign. But it's not quite lunchtime yet, so you need a snack. What better snack than a super easy, super delicious chicken buffalo dip? It's so easy to make. Again, you don't even have to think. You're just gonna have 5 ingredients. You're gonna dump it in the Foodi. You're gonna bake it for about 15 minutes and then eat it. It can't be any easier than that, can it? So let's start cooking. First thing you want to do is get your cream cheese to room temperature. Once it's at room temperature, dump it. Next, you're going to use a half a cup of ranch dressing. We like the Hidden Valley. You pick what you like. Next, you're going to use 2 cups of chicken. We got the rotisserie chicken from Walmart. Pulled it all off. Dump it. Next, you're going to use a half a cup of Frank's hot sauce. Dump it. And last, but certainly not least, half a cup of cheddar cheese. Dump it. Now, you stir up all that deliciousness, and then we're going to bake it. Oh yeah, look at all of that deliciousness in there. It's hard to believe this is going to make a dip, but it does. All right, just kind of pat it all down on the bottom, and we're going to bake at 350 for 15 minutes. All right, hit power. You're going to hit bake, 350, 15 minutes, start. All right, so the recipe called for 20 minutes. I said let's do 15 and we'll check it after 10 minutes. After 7 minutes, it's done. That's it. That fast. That much deliciousness, that fast. You want to come in and see what this looks like? Oh yeah, I bet you do. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Look how perfect that looks. I cannot wait to get in there and try that. So let's plate it up and eat it up. So now what I like to use is the pretzel chips. Plain, of course. Put them all on the plate. Take that deliciousness of a dip. Put it right in the middle there. Now if you have some celery, you can use your potato peeler. Shave some celery on top. Looks good, tastes great. So there it is. Doesn't that look delicious? So I got one question for you. Who's hungry? I am. Let's give this a try. I'm not faring. That's awesome. So good. It tastes like you're eating buffalo chicken. But a dip. Oh yeah. Nailed it. First thing you want to do is, what is it? It's not thaw out the cream cheese. It's next you're going to use 2 pounds, or no you're not. Ooh, chicken dip. You can't do all that behind.
I'm sorry.
I'm thinking you're trying to tell me something.
I was for good. Just start over. I'm sorry.
Hey, welcome to Live from the Camper. See, everybody survived New Year's Eve. Yeah, I don't want to do that.